We are running ahead of schedule on line 3. Very good. Maintain the safety checks every 30 minutes.
This meets the quality standards. Very few contaminants.
I'll log it as approved for processing.
Ensure the containers are secured for transport.
We have double-checked the restraints, engineer.
Vorsicht beim Abladen. Stellen Sie sicher, dass die Gurte festsitzen.
That is a very large delivery.
Yes, make sure it is moved to Section 4 immediately for processing.
Confirming batch 4R on the tablet. Are the fibers consistent?
Yes, engineer. The tensile strength is within tolerance.
The throughput on line 3 has increased, but the contamination rate is slightly up.
Let's check the sensor calibration near the first sorting gate. Moisture content is exactly 12%. Please log it.
12%. Confirmed. We move to the next crate.
Keep the conveyor speed consistent for the pre-soak.
Roger that. Levels are holding steady. The temperature is holding steady at 65.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimal for the first bath.
Check the flow rate on System 2. It's slightly high.
Adjusting it now. The quality looks consistent.
Look at the fiber integrity here. It's perfect.
Agreed. No contamination detected?
Send it to the line. The drying process was successful. All parameters are met.
Excellent.
Let's start the conveyor.
Watch your hands near the intake.
Roger that. The feed rate is stable.
The fiber length seems optimal for the size reduction process. Agreed. The pre-treatment phase was successful.
Überprüfen Sie die Zufuhrgeschwindigkeit.
Die Werte sind im grünen Bereich, keine Sorge.
Pressure levels are stable and within tolerance. Torque confirmed on the housing bolts. All clear. Digital diagnostics show green. We are cleared for startup.
We are seeing a slight deviation on the moisture levels here.
Adjusting the dryer intake now. Keep monitoring the output quality. Timmons. We need to ensure compliance with the German standards for this shipment. The humidity levels are crucial.
Agreed. The hopper levels are stable and the
Increase the vibration slightly on the primary screen.
Confirmed. Running within safety parameters. The pressure differential looks stable at 1500 pascals. Adjust the flow regulator slightly.
Regulator adjusted, system running optimally. The consistency on the left side seems slightly off spec.
I agree, the fibers are clumping here.
I'll adjust the feeder speed.
The system is running smoothly. Check the pressure on valve 4. Already done. Everything is within the parameters.
The moisture content is stable at 12%.
Confirmed. The fiber length analysis also passed the threshold.
The nitrogen content is stable at 14.2%.
Good. The wool fibers meet the specification.
Sample 4B. Viscosity is optimal.
Agreed. Logging the data now. Der Durchsatz ist stabil bei 200 Grad Celsius.
Ausgezeichnet. Die Fasern sehen gut aus.
Check the thermal coupling points here and verify the current logs.
Confirmed. All parameters are stable and within tolerance. The pre-check is complete.
Ensure the feed mechanisms aligned, then you may initiate the thermal cycle.
We have a temperature spike on line 4.
Acknowledged. Increasing coolant pressure now. The parameters are normalizing.
By applying precise thermal treatment, we enhance the wool's transition into a high-performance, slow-release fertilizer.
Reading 4.5 millimeters here. It's stable.
Yes, the tensile strength feels consistent across the batch.
The cycle parameters look correct.
All systems green. Ready for operation.
The temperature reading here is slightly low. Yeah.
Yes, but still within the acceptable sterilization threshold.
The reports confirm successful sterilization. Margin of error is negligible.
Excellent. We can sign off on this batch. The nitrogen levels are stable at 4.2. Good.
Ensure the flow rate on valve B is maintained.
The moisture levels are consistent with the batch profile.
Confirmed. The flow rate is optimized. We are good to continue.
Analysis complete. The concentration is within the acceptable deviation range. I am logging the results now.
The nitrogen levels are within tolerance for the batch.
Confirmed. The analyzer shows consistent stability across the sample. Make sure that seal is tight.
Yes, engineer. It's secure.
Good. Scan confirmed. We can move to the next batch.
Phase verification complete. Heat treatment and sterilization achieved.
A-grade material. We are cleared for production.
The nutrient levels are stable according to the tablet. Good, I will increase the flow rate to the main hopper.
Sieht gut aus. Keine Verunreinigungen.
Bestätigt. Die Qualität ist in Ordnung. Wir können fortfahren.
Bitte überprüfen Sie die Viskosität an Platte 4.
Sie liegt stabil bei 200 Centipoise.
The consistency is within tolerance.
Nutrient levels look stable across the batch, very precise.
Check the humidity levels at the input chute. Görlitz standards.
Reading steady, engineer. Flow rate is optimized. The pellets are uniform. Moisture content seems optimal.
Confirmed on the sensor array. We are running smoothly. The consistency looks good. Diameter is within tolerance. Noted. I'll update the batch record.
The pressure looks high near the valve.
I just calibrated it. It should normalize now.
Check the density against the German standards on the tablet.
All parameters are within tolerance, engineer.
Die Qualitätsparameter stimmen.
Ausgezeichnet. Die Endkontrolle ist bestanden.
The flow rate on line 3 seems slightly low.
Yes, I noticed that. Let's check the calibration after this batch.
The weight is stable at 25.1 kilograms.
Confirmed. Moving the bag now.
We need to verify the humidity levels for this batch. The sensor readings seem slightly off.
I'll make a note for maintenance. The physical quality looks good though.